What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a BB Simon unboxing. This will be my second unboxing on the channel, and this is their time to redeem themselves, because if you did not see my first video, they actually sent me the belt damaged with 2 crystals falling off. After spending $200 on a belt, I was very upset about that. Even though most people would not buy any more from a brand that did that to them, I decided to buy an even more expensive belt. And actually they did me very dirty in the emails, because you can fill out something on their website or contact form. I let them know that I actually received the belt damage. I had pictures, all that good stuff. Basically hit me back saying there wasn't anything they can do about it. I was very upset about this, obviously, as anyone would be. So I hit them up through, I think, text message, because anytime you order from them, they text you. So I was like, hey, you sent me the belt broken, what can we do? Whoever I talked to on text messages was so nice, because they said they were going to come through and send me a repair kit. So a huge shout out to BB Simon on that. Hopefully it's inside here. I don't see why it wouldn't be. So enough talking about it. Let's get right into this unboxing. I'm still super hyped, and I'm not knocking BB Simon at all, because I'm still a big fan of BB Simon. I mean, not everything can be perfect. I understand that sometimes there's going to be some damaged items. So hopefully the replacement crystals are inside of here. And dang, this one is actually like really hard to open up today. And also I did see too that sometimes BB Simon will send you different colored tins that your belt comes in, so that'd be pretty sick if we got a different colored tin than black, because on the last one we had black. And dang, I really cannot open this today. Don't want to damage the tin on the inside either, so I'm not trying to cut too crazily. Okay, here we go. All right, we got this open. All right, it looks like we got a black tin. No big deal though, not too worried about it if we can get this thing out of here. Wow, I'm struggling today. Alright, so unless they put the repair kit in here, they did not send it. Alright, it's not in the box, so I guess it could be in the box. But anyway, I mean not in the box, in the tin. So here you go. Again, you got the BB Simon tin in this. I got the black one. It says Crystal, whatever, on the back with the American flag. Got the BB Simon California up top. Just a regular BB Simon tin. Then let's pop this open. Hopefully we got that repair kit that they promised me. And okay, this one's kind of hard to get out. So we got the tin, we'll just set that there. Okay, so they did come in clutch with the repair kit. And oh yeah, those looks like the exact same crystals, because they're like the Noah crystals. So they actually were very nice enough to send me this E6000. Is that 6000? Yeah, this E6000 with 4 replacement crystals. Only 2 of them were missing, but they sent me 4, I guess just in case another one falls off. Or are these replacement crystals for this one? Who knows? But yeah, huge shout out to them for actually doing that. So like again, shout out to BB Simon for actually coming through with the repair kit. So now we got what everyone's here for, the actual unboxing. And please do not let any of these crystals fall off while I open this, or I'm going to be upset. So I think this is called something that starts with an L. There's no invoice, I don't know, but I believe this belt is the one that starts with an L. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. And yes, I did buy this from the official BB Simon website. So here we go. We got the BB Simon tag, made in USA, just like the other one. And then when you unravel it, it's looking crazy. Wow, this one is fire. We got all the crystals attached, so that alone makes me happy. Well, I guess I should check the buckle too, because I was missing one of the buckle last time. But check this out. It is dancing in the light right now. We got the BB Simon on the front. Then we also got a ton of crystals on here as well. Then you got that all the way down. Flip and dip, and it just has that like leather on the back, says BB Simon. I did get a 34 again, because I know I said I probably could have sized down, but I figured I'd rather size up than to be sorry. So since the 34 still fit me last time, I decided to go with the 34. And for sizing purposes, it will tell you too to make sure you size up. So if you're a size 32 like me, you're gonna want to get a size 34, and it fits me pretty decently, even though I maybe could have got the true to size 32. So it looks like we got 1 crystal falling off here, but it looks like, oh no, so it's glued like that actually. It's glued like it's falling off, so that's cool. I guess at least it doesn't fall off. Looks to be in perfect condition, unlike the other one, so that alone is a W to me. You got the crystals all over the buckle, I guess, with crystals here as well. Then this is fire. I hope that's not like alligator skin, because that's gonna make me upset, but I don't even know what this is. It's sick though. I don't know what it is. Feels definitely different from my last one, but like this one is also like about double the price of the last one I had. Yeah, I think this one's about $400 retail, where the last one I had was about $200 retail, so about double the price. So there's obviously a lot more crystals on this one, and yeah, I hope you can see that in the light, because this thing is just dancing in the light. Also, I forgot to mention too, you got the BB Simon on the back of the buckle. All right, hopefully you can see this. So I finally tried it on. Yeah, these pants are a little big on me too, so that probably also gives the illusion that this doesn't really fit that well. Yeah, I don't know how the sizing is so different compared to the last one I had. This is also a 34, so is the other one. This one kind of like barely fits. I'm kind of like super stretching right now, because I felt like if it ended up going to here, that would look kind of weird. So So I don't know why the sizing is so different on this. I mean, maybe they use something different for, I mean, maybe they use like a different base. I don't really know, but both of them fit completely different. So it looks like I'm just destined to take L's with BB Simon, but the belt is still sick. I guess I'll give the whole flip and dip too so you can see it. It's Dancing in the Light that I got right here. I think it's pretty sick. Don't really know if I'd wear it with these pants. It looks kind of odd. Let me go check the mirror. Yeah, I don't really know if I'd wear it with these pants because like these pants barely fit me. They're like way too big on me, but they're still fire pants, so I'm not gonna not wear them. But yeah, the belt's just kind of odd. I don't know why sizing's all off like that. But anyways, before I go, big shout out to BB Simon for actually giving me that repair kit. I'm so hyped they actually came in clutch with giving me that, so I will be able to fix the other BB as well. So if you did want to check this belt out, I will leave it in the description down below. It is no affiliate link whatsoever, just trying to help you guys out. And if you are trying to cop, sizing wise, I would say go up a size, maybe even 2 sizes depending on which model you're getting. There should be a size guide on the website. I probably should have checked that out before I went ahead and bought this one. That's gonna do it for my BB Simon unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.